Meaning of Hausa.
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 Hausa. Hausa is a term that refers to both an ethnic group and a language spoken primarily in West Africa, particularly in Nigeria and some neighboring countries. The Hausa people are a diverse group with a rich cultural heritage and are known for their art, music, and cuisine. The Hausa language has become a lingua franca in many parts of West Africa and is widely used in trade, commerce, and education. It is a tonal language that uses a modified form of the Arabic script. The language and culture of the Hausa people continue to thrive and evolve in the 21st century.